Hey, my sweethearts, good morning. How are you? Today we have again our phonics class, so we're going to make a review about it. But first, we're going to pray, like always. So put your hands together, close your eyes, and repeat after me. Angel of word, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day, be at my side, to light and guard, to love and guide. Amen. Ángel de la guarda, mi dulce compañía, no me desampares ni de noche ni de día, hasta que me pongas en paz y alegría con todos los ángeles, Jesús, José y María. Amén, amén. Okay, we finished with our pray time. And look at here, now we have our phonics class. We're going to learn our ABC and we're going to review a little bit about the vowels, the short and the long vowel sound. Okay, the short sounds in A is as in apple, e as in egg, e as in iguana, o as in octopus, and as in umbrella. Now the long vowel sounds, the angry vowel sounds. So we have A like apron, E in easel, I in ice cream, O in overalls, U as in unicorn. Okay, we make here the sound, we say here the name, sound and name. So remember, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O. Okay, one more time. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O. Okay, my sweetheart. And we're going to review something that you need about our special sounds, okay? The last special sound that we learned yesterday. So, why I said, why as in fly, as in cry, as in my, as in try. So remember, circle only the special sound. This is one special sound, the two special sounds, only the Y as in fly, okay? Y. And now I'm going to help you with your homeworks. So pay attention. We're going to the page 108, okay? You made the first part and now we are going to make the third part. So circle the special sounds, okay? Circle the special sounds, only the special sounds that we learned. So we have only one special sound in two words. We have the special sound go, o as in go, and o as in yo. Okay, we have two special sounds, and here mark the vowels. Which vowel is angry and which vowel is in silent because she's scared. Which vowel? So mark the vowels, the angry vowels with red color and the silent vowels with blue color, okay? I read road and toe, okay? So you are going to mark it. Now, we're going to sorry. What happened on here? No. Okay. We go to this part on here. Circle the special sound. Mark the vowels and read the words. Okay. First, circle the new special sound that we learned. It was Y as in fly, as in my. Only the special sound. Circle only the special sound. We have the special sound in two words and we're going to circle this special sound. Okay, here we are going to mark the vowels. The angry vowels are red and the scared vowels are blue. Okay, remember it. And we're going to read it with the name. So we said dime, my, buy, and kite. Okay, my sweetheart, I know that you are going to make it alone by yourselves, okay? I love you a lot. I love you a lot. Les quiero mucho. Cuídense.